The HyperX QuadCast is a popular microphone among content creators, but many users find its audio quality underwhelming without proper adjustments. Understanding the common issues and their solutions is essential for getting professional quality sound. The first major issue is excessive bass buildup, caused by the proximity effect. When you speak too close to the microphone, typically under 6 inches, low frequencies become unnaturally boosted, making your voice sound muddy and boomy. The second common issue is harsh high frequencies that cause sibilance. The Quadcast's condenser capsule is very sensitive to high-frequency sounds, making S&T sounds uncomfortably sharp and piercing. The third issue involves room acoustics, creating a hollow, echoey sound. Untreated rooms with hard surfaces cause sound reflections that the Quadcast picks up, resulting in an unprofessional, distant sound quality. Beyond these common issues, the Quadcast has technical limitations that affect its performance. It operates at 48 kHz with 16-bit depth, which is adequate for streaming, but may not meet professional recording standards. The fixed cardioid polar pattern means the microphone only picks up sound from the front, which can be limiting in certain recording situations. Understanding this pattern is crucial for proper positioning. Now let's address these issues with practical solutions. The first and most important step is proper microphone positioning. Maintain a distance of 6 to 8 inches from the microphone and speak slightly off axis rather than directly into it. The second solution involves proper gain staging. Set your Windows audio levels to 70 to 80%. This prevents the internal preamp from introducing noise while maintaining adequate signal strength. Finally, apply a basic high-pass filter to reduce low-end rumble and handling noise. This simple adjustment can dramatically improve the clarity of your recordings by removing unwanted low-frequency content. By addressing these common issues with proper positioning, gain staging, and basic filtering, you can significantly improve your Quadcast's audio quality. These fundamental adjustments form the foundation for professional-sounding recordings. Effective EQ optimization is the key to transforming your Quadcast sound quality. We'll focus on 4 critical frequency ranges that make the biggest difference. The first range is 80 to 120 Hz, where we reduce low-end rumble and handling noise. This cleaning up the bottom end prevents muddiness in your recordings. Next is 200 to 400 Hz, the proximity effect range. Cutting here controls muddiness that occurs when speaking too close to the microphone. The presence range from 2 to 4 kHz is where we add clarity and intelligibility. A gentle boost here makes voices cut through the mix better. Finally, 6 to 8 kHz is the sibilance range. Reducing harsh S&T sounds here prevents listener fatigue and creates a smoother sound. Now watch as we apply these EQ adjustments in real time. Notice how the curve cuts the problematic frequencies while boosting the presence range. The HyperX Ingenuity software provides enhanced EQ presets and real-time audio monitoring capabilities. Version 4.x series offers the most advanced features for Quadcast optimization. Different use cases require different EQ approaches. For streaming and gaming, we use a lighter touch with fast compression for real-time communication. Podcasting requires more aggressive processing with broader frequency adjustments and longer compression release times for a more polished, broadcast-ready sound. AI-powered noise suppression tools like NVIDIA RTX voice and OBS filters provide real-time background noise removal that works alongside your EQ settings. OBS Studio offers built-in noise suppression, compression, and limiting filters that integrate seamlessly with your streaming workflow. Professional EQ plugins offer precise control over your Quadcast's frequency response. These free plugins provide broadcast quality processing within OBS Studio. Follow these implementation steps to achieve professional results. Install the plugin, apply your frequency adjustments, test with monitoring, and save presets for consistent quality across all your content.